So get to this point first, practice that. Once you get there, it's kind of a similar motion to Buddha's Revenge. You actually roll it. You're going to roll the yo-yo over your fingers, but as you do so, you uncross and recross your hands in one motion. So it looks like this. I roll, and I uncross and then recross them again. So let me show you again. So it's pop, you roll, cross your hands like that. So now your arms are crossed. You've got the yo-yo on the string here. And this is the hardest part of the trick. You have to actually pop the yo-yo into the air, and it's a similar motion to what you did when you first started it. You pop it up like that, and you bring this time it's your non-throw hand pointer finger across and underneath the yo-yo, like so. That lands it right into a double or nothing. That's close to the end, so we'll start from the beginning again. Bring it across, you do your roll, so it's uncrossing and recrossing your hands, and then I pop it up and bring your non-throw hand pointer finger directly underneath the yo-yo, just like so. It should land in a double or nothing. So let me show you again. Looks like this. Pop, cross, uncross, cross, and then shoot right underneath the yo-yo. The last step is, once you have the first two steps, it makes this part easier. You're actually just popping it up again and land it into a trapeze. From there, you dismount and catch. The whole trick itself. Let me try and get it again for you. Slow down the video, watch it a couple times, practice those moves. It's going to really help you when you're practicing this trick. It's really important that you give this trick the time. It takes a while to learn, but it's worth it.